Hey guys, and good morning. So, what I'm going to share with you today is we have this Plasti Dip stuff, and this is what I put on the bottom of our. These are basically the feet to our ladder, and we repurposed this ladder. It was for an in-ground pool that had been demolished, and they cut it off. And I just put these stainless steel. These are flanges with it's about an 8-inch pipe that's up in here, and then I use this rubber extension to kind of tie it all in together. Well, every year I use this Plasti Dip to coat the feet so it doesn't hurt the liner. And what's great about this is that if you're looking at the bottom, it really gives a nice coating, and it smooths out the edges and everything so that the liner won't be damaged at all. And I just pick all the hard stuff off. So basically I just brush it on with a paintbrush, and it's been working every year now. I didn't have to redo it last year because you can see last year we used black. So this year we thought it would be fun to use a different color. So this year we're using red. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. You just brush it on and coat all the edges. And I coat the pipe up here so that it doesn't, it starts to kind of rust from being in the water. And you can kind of see on the bottom of the pool right there, there's a little rust spot. That's because I didn't put enough, you see inside there, I didn't put enough inside there last year. Sorry, trying to flip this over so you guys can see it. So I didn't put enough inside last year, and from the water, it sits and it makes a ring. But you can see that, I mean, it works really well, and it makes, if you were to feel this, it's very spongy. So then I know that the liner won't be damaged, and that's exactly what we want. So I'm gonna get this all going, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so you can see that I put a second coat on. So basically what you want to do is you just want to make sure that you're rounding your edges. And it doesn't have to look pretty, it just has to be functional. Because you want the edges to basically be smooth for the bottom of the pool. And this stuff doesn't really take a whole lot of time to dry. It's just functional. And how I put it on is just really with the paintbrush, because it's rubber. And if you get it on anywhere, don't worry about it. Once it dries, then you can just flake it right off. But you just want to really be aware of the edges and make sure that, see how the edges, I made sure that all the edges are smooth. And that's pretty much all I do with this ladder. You can see it's a nice stainless steel ladder. We got that from Alicia's mom. They used to have a pool, and they used it in their above ground pool. So all we needed to do was make a extension to match our deck and stuff. And I'll show you guys how it all slides in together when we're all finished here. But that's pretty much all you do. You just spread it on. Now, like if you're covering tools, basically you just dip it in this little thing, and it works really good, guys. So if you ever need to coat anything to keep it from, scratching anything or hand like grip, this is a great thing. And I think this stuff is only like, I want to say like $4 or something. And once you pop the top, you want to make sure that you kind of use it, because it will set up. It sets up really quickly because it is a rubber-based product. But I really like this stuff, and it's multi-purpose rubber coating is what it says it is. It's called Plasti Dip. This stuff works great. You can use it for anything. Anything that you want to cover and coat and keep from scratching anything, or protect anything from rusting or stuff, anything that you could think of, really, it would work for. Handles that you grip a lot. Yeah, this stuff works great. And I just put it on with the paintbrush. Now, this is a disposal paintbrush, and you can see it's already setting up. See how I won't be able to reuse this. But you can, if you're just using this rubber stuff, you can reuse that for that again, and it's okay. It might be a little hard, but it'll still go on pretty smooth. So yeah, that's the project I got today. And look at the sparkling blue water. Isn't it just gorgeous? It does not really take very long. Look at my my test strip blew over in the water. I have to skim it today, but I don't know what the temperature is, but I'm gonna check it out, and I think I'm gonna get in today just to move around and make my heart sing. But I won't be able to get in until after these dry. so that's why I got to get these done so that I can get in there. So yeah, I'm excited, and I'm sitting in my favorite spot. You can see Emmy, he's out there. Yeah, he's chewing on something. I'm not really sure. I always hate to find out because it's always something gross. But anyway, guys, it's Thursday, so happy Thursday, and it's a beautiful day again, and it stormed once again this morning, but it is bright and shiny this morning. So yes, you all have a great day, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye.